Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a tour of the Lake James Antique Boat and Car Show. If you love classic cars, vintage boats, food, and music, then buckle up. Picture this: the sun is shining, the sky is clear, and Lake James is sparkling. Rows of gleaming classic cars line the shore, from 1950s Chevrolets to 1930s Packards. Each car tells a story of a bygone era. Down at the docks, vintage boats bob gently on the lake. Wooden boats, speedboats, and grand old classics are all floating pieces of history. Owners share their passion and tales of restoration. Imagine cruising around Lake James in a piece of maritime history. It's pure magic. There's live music, delicious food stalls, and vendors with a sense of community. Soak up summer vibes and dive into maritime history at Lake James. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steuben County adventures. Visit SteubenCounty.com for event information throughout the year.